Okay, so this video, let's focus on balancing chemical equations. And when we say balancing chemical equations, what do we mean? First, to balance a chemical equation, you need to know the following. You need to know the symbol, okay, or the formula of compounds and elements. So you need to know the symbol or formula, okay, of elements and compounds in that equation. Then the other one is you need to know the state symbols. You need to know the state symbols. State what? Symbols. Now we have 4 state symbols. The first one is solid. That's a symbol. Then the other one is liquid, which is like that. The other one is gas, which is G, and the other one is aqueous. Which is AQ. So these are the 4 state symbols that we have. Then the other thing that you need to know when it comes to balancing chemical equations, you need to know how many atoms are on the right side and how many atoms are on the left side. So you need to know atoms on the actually number of atoms, okay, atoms on the right side, on the right and the left side. Let's got an example. For example, I gave you to write to balance a chemical equation between sodium, okay, between sodium and the oxygen. What would be your chemical equation? First, we need to know the symbol for sodium. For sodium is Na, and the state symbol is solid, plus oxygen is double O, so it's O with a 2 because oxygen is a dimolecule and it's a gas. Now whenever a metal reacts with the oxygen, they form one compound called an oxide. So this we are going to form sodium oxide. Now how are we going to form sodium oxide? Here's what you need. Sodium is found in group what? Found in group 1. Sodium is found in group 1, and therefore it's a metal. So it has got it's gaining 1 electron. Oxygen is found in group 6, so it needs 2 electrons to have 8 electrons in the outer shell. So oxygen is like this. So these 2 will come down here, and this one here will come here. So we're going to have sodium oxide like that. So this will be our answer here. Sodium oxide as a solid. Now the question is it balanced? No. How many sodium atoms do we have here? We have 2. So we're going to put a 2 in front here. Is oxygen balanced? Let's first, before we go anywhere, let's balance oxygen. Here oxygen is 2. Here oxygen is what? Is 1. So we need to put a 2 in front. And we have 4. Now this 2 is multiplying everything here. So 2 times 2 is 4 sodium. 2 times 1 is 2 oxygen. So we're going to put a 4 in front here, so that it's now balanced. Let's look at another example. Let's say I give you to write between magnesium and the water. Okay, magnesium and water. What's the symbol for magnesium? It's Mg, and it's a solid, and it's found in group 2. So since it's found in group 2, it has got something like this. Take no time. And water is like this. So we're saying plus water. Now water is a liquid. That's the state symbol. Now whenever a metal reacts with water, there are 2 compounds that are formed. Now what are those compounds? This is a metal. When we branch water, we are going to have this hydrogen. We're also going to have an hydroxide. So these are the two compounds that make up water. Because it's positive, it can't react with another positive. It won't react with a negative. So this magnesium will tend to combine with this, and this one will remain alone. So remember, there's a 2 here, there's a 1 there, so we're going to have MgOH2, because the 2 is coming here. We can't just write it 2 there, no. Then plus what remained here, it's hydrogen. Now hydrogen, it's a gas, so it has to occur in 2 atoms formula, and it's a gas. This is an aqueous. Is it balanced? Let's see if it is balanced. Magnesium is 1 here, magnesium is 1. This 2 is multiplying everything. You have 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. So on the right side, on this side here, we have 1 magnesium, we have 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. But here we have 2 plus 2 hydrogen, which there are 4, and 2 oxygen. So we need to put a 2 here so that we have 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So this is now balanced. So this is how you balance chemical equation. Just know the symbols, the group where those elements are found, then you'll be cool.